should you ceramic coat your wheels? This one's an easy one. We're gonna answer it right here before we even get to the intro. Yes. What's going on? I'm Scott from Koenig, and when we try to give you information, we bring you not only the nitty, but we bring you the gritty. And today, we're gonna be talking about ceramic coating and how to keep your wheels from getting gritty. See what we're doing here? We're trying to keep it all in the family. So when we talk about ceramic coating, we're talking about the thing that you will apply to a perfectly prepped clean wheel or a brand new wheel. Preferably brand new, but we'll get to that in a second. This coating is essentially going to act as a barrier between the outside layer of contaminants and your wheel surface. This prolonging the life of your wheel's surface, and this will keep it not only easier to make sure that the wheel has some longevity, but also to make sure that you can properly clean your wheels and do it with less frustration and easier. So if you have a complicated wheel design, this is definitely for you. Spend the time to do the ceramic coating once. Feel real good about yourself, keep your wheels clean, and do it in half the time. All right, so before we tell you what ceramic coat is, let me tell you what it's not. It's not a wax, it's not a sealant. This coating is something that's there to actually chemically bond with the surface, and that's why you have to properly prep your wheel. But when you do that, you're gonna have this protectant coating that's going to essentially allow it to reflect different UV things that may cause fading. It will also protect the finish against debris and some minor road debris that will kind of encounter the surface, whether it be sand or minor rocks or different things like that. Some of the materials that would come from brake dust or dirt. So you have this protectant layer, and it's going to allow you to be able to properly clean your wheels and do it in half the time. The reason I'm saying half the time is because generally when we talk about wheel ceramic coatings, we're talking about something that is there to assist you. It's not an impenetrable force field. Although if we could figure out how to do that, do us a favor, go ahead and throw us an email, because I think it would be a really good selling item. When it comes down to a wheel ceramic coating, we have to look at it as something that helps you maintain your wheel. So generally the rule of thumb is if you put a wheel ceramic coating on, it generally lasts for about a year depending on how much you use your car or the severity. It's really something that you should think about. It does a great job at protecting the wheel, and it really will make it so much easier to actually keep your wheel clean. So now when it comes down to ceramic coat, the one thing you should probably know is how it will affect your wheel surface right now. If you tend to have a glossy wheel surface right now, for the most part, you're not really gonna notice too much of a change. If you have a matte wheel color, you may notice that the wheel picks up just a hint more of a sheen. Now, it's not gonna make your wheel shiny. Ceramic coat will make your wheel look a little bit more sleek in the fact that if you have any little paint imperfections or waves in the paint that's on your wheel, this coating will kind of help it fill in, make it appear smoother, and ultimately makes your wheel look better. Now, ceramic coating is actually pretty simple. It's really not hard at all. You essentially are going to properly prep the wheel. A lot of times you're gonna wanna use a panel wipe. This is kind of a product that's referred to by Gtechniq. But you put this panel wipe on, get the wheel prepped up. Then you're gonna take an applicator and you're going to gently apply just a minor dab of this ceramic coat, and then you're gonna leave it to set up for a little bit. When it starts to rainbow, or you see just a hint of rainbow, usually in that 2, 3, 4, 5 minute range, then you're gonna go ahead and take a clean microfiber and you're essentially just gonna buff it off. I mean, it's that simple. And by doing that, you'll have a clean, even coat of ceramic coat. Okay, so you get your wheel ceramic coated, and now what do? Well, the first thing is you enjoy the fact that it's easier to clean your wheels, see? And the next thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you're using a pH balanced, non-acidic wash soap to clean your wheels. Nothing crazy, no wheel cleaners, no acidic wheel cleaners, because you could take that ceramic coat right off your wheel. So we're just gonna clean the wheel there. Don't use any brushes at this point. Don't use anything abrasive, because all of those things that would agitate dirt on your wheel are also gonna start to scratch and remove the ceramic coat from your wheel, which kind of defeats the purpose. So that's pretty much the deal on ceramic coating. Now, what I will say to you is, if you go onto store.koenigwheels.com, and no, that's not why we're making this video, but we happen to have a ceramic coating kit. In this kit, we have given you all the goodies that you will need to properly ceramic coat your wheels. And good news is, for the majority of the diameter wheels, you'll be able to do 2 sets of wheels. And again, it's available at store.koenigwheels.com. So that's it, friends. Thank you for coming along. We hope that you found this information valuable. We hope that you ceramic coat your wheels in a cool fashion, that you enjoy yourself, that you make your wheels so much more cleanable than they were before. And that is it for this one. We will catch you on the next one. Take care.